here with
Fashion-Pixie Marie.
Let's go. We're doing a collab today. We're making some slime. Yeah, we got some.
Got some glue. We got some borax. You're gonna like it. Got some bowls.
Yep.
So let's make some slime. We're making glue.
Yeah, I put this whole Elmer's glue in here. We're gonna make it. Wait, do you have water? I need to get water.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put the glue in. Do I put all of it?
Yeah, I did. I hate that noise. That looks so weird. I'm just gonna be mixing it in like so. This look. Oh my gosh. Ew. I honestly don't know if this is right, but. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna pour this in. I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. I'm just doing what I've kind of seen on the internet. That's a lot of borax. Oh my gosh, why isn't it stopped? Okay. Dude, it should have stopped by now. Okay. Oh. Alright, so I'm just gonna. Oh, you can already see it. You can already see the slime like form. Okay.
Oh my god.
Dang. Everyone was like, you need borax, but I was like, nah, no, you need borax. Okay, so this is, once you pick it up and keep mushing it, it should look like this.
Wow.
It kind of feels like gum. Like,
yeah, there you go, gum.
Like gummy?
Oh, wow.
I don't know, but I know you have to make it creamy by like...
Can I have some borax? Yeah, it's right over here.
Borax. You have to add a lot of borax. Like, honest, here, do you want me to pour it? Yeah. Alright. Honestly, like, a lot.
Oh my. Oh, that's enough.
That should be good.
I think I need a little bit more.
You do?
Yep.
Oh, Caitlin. Are you good?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we're mixing it. Mine doesn't look like slime.
Oh, after, okay. So if you play with it, you're all playing with it, right?
Can you get the borax?
Oh
I
my
think I
gosh.
need more glue.
After you put it in here for a while, it starts to like go back into like its original form. It's weird.
Guys?
What? Did you add enough water?
No.
Did you put any water?
So
We had to like change it. We had to do a quick
my
camera change.
phone
Phone is
lost
stupid for some
all of
reason.
it. It's like I can't film anymore. Even though I deleted every.
Whoa.
I have no storage.
So basically, okay, so Caitlin, that's Caitlin's with just borax, glue, and water, and then this is mine with like shaving cream.
This is mine with.
It's different. Pretty different.
Mine isn't working out at all.
Yeah. Rochelle, I don't. Okay, wait, Rochelle, show them your bowl.
Why?
What is this? Oh my.
Wait, luckily none of it got on the carpet, so you're good.
Even
Rochelle can't believe what's happening right now.
Guys, this is not okay.
so shocked.
This is not okay.
Rochelle, I don't know why.
Don't do this at home.
You bought that?
I think I need some more shaving
Yeah,
cream.
I bought all of
Because
this stuff
it's
yesterday.
really boraxy right
You
now.
would think that glue wouldn't be expensive, but when you put it all together, it's like
Oh wow, this is very different.
$17.
You guys can't see this, but there is like borax all over the table.
Wait.
I know.
This is the current situation.
Oh my gosh. Rochelle, hold on. Let's just take a moment. Look at Caitlin's.
I know.
She's like in the middle. Mine's basically like, look at yours.
slime.
It's not right. Okay, I tried to do everything everyone told me to do.
I'm
and
adding
it
the food
didn't
coloring
work.
in. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a lot.
Ooh.
That was a lot.
Okay.
Is it okay if you
So this is
Okay.
this is the new YouTube channel called Sophie's Show, and it's just me. Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, this is the coloring. Okay, I'm excited. Okay. Ew. This doesn't even look. Oh wait. Okay.
Yeah, more water.
Starting
What
to
is
see
this?
the blue.
Look at your hand.
Oh my gosh. That looks so weird.
I have the water and I just put it in. Ready? It's
You can
not
really see the difference.
turning
Just keep
into
doing. No, it's.
This isn't slime.
Oh my god.
It's more than slime.
What is this?
I'm sorry, guys. Look at the
Pretty
texture.
slime.
What is this? Okay, I'm adding more glue. So maybe.
I'm gonna make orange.
Ooh. Oh, what the heck?
I know.
That's not right. Look at that. That. What is this? So here's the scrambled egg. Look.
Yeah, we made it to. We wanted to make it like a food, right?
Yeah. Here's scrambled eggs for you.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
Everybody.
Alright, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I think Caitlin wins
Please
first.
Like
second,
and subscribe.
Rochelle, I don't even think you placed as third. I don't even think that.
So I just recommend if you're gonna make slime,
research how to do it before you do it.
Yeah, and then don't add random amount of borax because that's how it's gonna turn out. So yeah.
Oh yeah, and make sure to
Okay.
go like Caitlin's video on her channel, Fashion-Pixie Marie. Oh, look at me trying to be cute with my blue hands.
Thank y'all.
Alright, see you guys next
wait,
week.
comment down below what you want us to do because we're running out of ideas.
Yeah,
Me too.
honestly, our content.
Do it, please.
Okay.
Content is running low.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Woo.